Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday to everybody. Got a little sad news right off the bat. Our brother from across the pond, Mad Dog Survival, found out on Sunday from Redneck Renegade. Mad Dog had a double heart attack. Whew. Man, what a kick in the gut. Just, just sitting at home, watching videos and, relaxing. Saw Redneck, Mr. Neck posted a new video, and I'm like, oh, cool, instant click. Then he hits me with the bad news, like, oh, man. Just, like I said, just a kick in the gut. Whew. So, my buddy's recovering, so he's in the hospital. In fact, his last video was him, well, not his last video, but his latest video was right from his hospital bed. I guess he put some stents in, and they got him back up, so hopefully he's recovering well and up on his feet soon. If you'd like, it would be appreciated if you want to head over to his channel. I'll link his latest video in the description, so just go over there, wish him some well, say, hey, get better soon. Medical science has really been, advancing, very well, so, you should be up and around in no time. Maybe just give him some well wishes. Also, there's a GoFundMe for him, set up by, I knew I was going to forget his name, Mackie, I think. Wow, awkward. Anyway, I'll link the GoFundMe if you got a few bucks to spare. Maybe throw a little donation at him, help with the medical bills. You know how medical bills, while medical science is awesome, the cost is not. So, maybe it'll help. So, even just $5, maybe get a cheaper, maybe get one less cheeseburger and just, maybe help. If you can, if not, it's cool. I mean, not everyone knows everybody, and not everyone has subbed everyone. So let's proceed with the drawing, and I got some new stickers. So let's get those on, and we'll proceed with the burn. All right, let's dive right into stickers real quick. So I have one from Black Rifle Coffee. There's a video coming on that. Decided to add them to the board. I've got one here. I've actually had it for a while. I forgot that I had it. It was Kevin's Adventures. I missed this guy's videos. Him and Malcolm. I miss their videos. So we have one from CALIZONA Chris, or CALIZONA Outdoors. Very cool sticker. Thank you, brother. I'm out of stickers right now, but when I get some more, I'm going to be sending off mine again. And I have one here for CARROLL. Just 3 really cool stickers. Come on, camera. She's really pretty. That's a pretty sticker. I like the color. And she's got this, upside down. So yeah, it's got this shiny part. Those are neat. Those are going on the board. Alright, stickers are in place. I gotta say, some of these sticker backs are really hard to get off. So, got this week's channel drawing. Reach in here, pull out who we got. Oh, we got the Outdoorsman Garage. Rock on. Dude has a good channel. Will be linked below like the others. Alright, let's get to it. Alrighty. So actually, normally this is where I would say go and check out, so-and-so, except I haven't filmed that portion of the video yet because I left the house to come out and do this, and I haven't drawn it yet, so I'll have to film that when I get home. So let's go proceed with the burn. This is for you, Mad Dog, and for him and anyone else who's had medical issues. This is fires for you. A one and done would have been really nice, but come on. Ooh. Absolutely showering this stuff with sparks. There we go. Daggum. I guess it's just like healing and recovery. It just takes a little time.